Hey everyone, so these are my bulb lasagna that I tried out. Remember, in the pots, I got these bulbs on clearance at Walmart, I think in like mid to late February, and then I did a video of how to plant the bulb lasagna. So this was basically an experiment that I tried to do, and this is how my pot looks now. So I did add pansies over the bulbs, so at least I have some color by the time the bulbs are blooming. So in this I have mainly tulips and a couple of daffodils, and down here it's mainly daffodils, and then the tulips actually I had a couple of layered light color tulips in there. Those are done already. So this is the second bulb lasagna planter.